Want to create your own cheetah print pattern brush in Photoshop? Let's make one from scratch and test it so you can see exactly how it works. First, open Photoshop and create a new document, preferably a square canvas such as 1000 by 1000 pixels. Create a new layer where we'll build the cheetah pattern. Next, select the brush tool and start creating several irregular cheetah spots across the canvas. Make some spots larger and some smaller, and leave enough space between them so the pattern is easy to see. You can create different shapes and arrange them randomly to make the pattern look more natural. Once you're happy with the pattern, use the rectangular marquee tool to select the entire area containing your design. Make sure the pattern is inside the selection because Photoshop will use this area to create the brush. Now, go to Edit, Define Brush Preset, enter a name such as Cheetah Print, and click OK. Photoshop will save the selected design as a new brush preset. To test your new brush, create a new layer and select the brush tool. Open the Brush Preset panel and find the Cheetah Print brush you just created. Select it, choose a suitable brush size, and click or drag across the canvas to see the pattern. You can then open Window, Brush Settings to customize the brush. Adjust settings such as spacing, shape dynamics, and scattering to change how the cheetah spots are distributed when you paint. Try different settings and brush sizes until you get the pattern you want. Finally, test the brush on a larger canvas and experiment with different sizes and strokes to see how it behaves. And that's it! You've created your own cheetah print pattern brush in Photoshop that you can reuse in future designs, whether you're working on clothing, posters, digital artwork, or other creative projects.